If you know you have ever wanted to trade with a free funded account, right, you'll be finding them all on this channel, because I'll be dropping a lot of videos for you to get free funded account to start trading the live market on this channel, right? And this particular bonus that you'll be getting is a free funded 1K account, and I'll be showing you how to get this amazing account, trade with it, and once you meet the requirements, you too will be able to make withdrawal from this kind of funded account, right? All the details will be detailedly explained in this video just to guide you properly, and the link to claim this particular bonus will be in the description of this particular video, and I would also make it available in the pinned comment section so you can use any of this as an alternative method. And this same broker is offering a 100% deposit bonus, right? That to show you that even on the profit you earned, right, you can still get a 100% deposit bonus on it, even if you wish to deposit your personal money. But to get this bonus, you won't need to deposit anything, right? So let's get started, right? So you'll be selecting the country where you are residing after using the link in the pinned comment or in the description of this video. And after you do all this respectively, you'll be filling in your email, your password as you could see on the screen, and then you would agree on the terms and conditions. And once this aspect is fulfilled respectively, you see we need to make sure you are an woman trying to sign up for this account, right? So you could see you just have to tap on I am not a robot, right, just to verify that aspect. And you could see the next section showing on my screen, which is please check your email, right? You could see the specified details which state if you do not receive the email in few minutes, right? So you can just check your spam folder, right? You can just check your spam folder, your junk folder for an email, right, if you didn't receive it officially, right? So you just have to tap on verify once you receive these details, and then you'll be brought to this sign-in interface. And for alternative method, you can make use of their app for easy convenience, right? So you can do more details to actually get this 1K account, right? So you'll be filling in your email, your password, you'll be filling them all respectively, and once these details are filled, and also you'll be told to verify your account choosing an authentication method. An authentication method is just to verify your account security, and so that your account can be compromised easily, right? So that the security of your account can be properly guaranteed, right? So that your account can be breached anyhow. So you just have to download the authenticator app just to verify your account as a one-time verification. You won't be needing to verify it multiple times, right? So you can sign in into this account successfully, and you can see my account dashboard, right? You'll be signed in into this account, and you'll be coming to the more section, right? And you could see the market, the trades, the explore, the community, and the more, all showing below the interface on the screen, right? So once you head straight to the more section, this is where we'll be completing more details required to get this 1K account, so you can be eligible to get this account, right? As I told you guys that I'll be explaining all these details well detailed, right? And you could see the particular cycle section of the more, which I explained that you'll be tapping on this particular more section, and under this more section you'll be coming to the competition section, right? You could see the copy trading, the competition, the community. You'll be coming to the competition section. This is where we'll be getting this amazing 1K account. As I told you all that you'll be getting a share of $25,000, right? You'll be getting a share of it once you are part of those that will be eligible, and I'm sure if you do your best you will be part of those that will be eligible. And once you come here, you just have to locate this section, and then you click on start competing. And once you click on start competing, you'll be told to verify some of your details, and you could see more details showing on the screen, brief details. You could see the guaranteed amount, which is showing a 25K, right? This is the price that you'll be getting a share of once you satisfy the requirement, which is quite easy. Just scale all through and be part of those that will be getting this price, right? So I'll be explaining further requirements so you get these full details. I'll be explaining them deeply so that you can know the next necessary details and how to maximize and go about the details. And you can see your maximum equity, which is about 1,000. The maximum loss on this account is 800. They are giving a 1,000 bonus, and the maximum loss is 800, which is quite amazing, and you'll be getting it as a standard account. And the requirement to actually get this bonus, you need a KYC verification. And you could see the prices that comes with number 1, the number 18th, the number 20, the number 100. Number 30 will be getting about $300. Number 1 will be getting up to a $1,000 or $3,000, right, which is quite amazing. And number 100 will be getting $100, which is very amazing, coming from a free funded account, which I don't want you guys to miss out on this kind of amazing bonus, right? It's a free funded account. So let's pay attention to the brief, more detailed explanation about this particular bonus, right? So once I scroll back to the top, I just have to locate the start computing section, which I previously highlighted, the blue section in particular, right? So you'll be tapping on this start computing section, right? And once you tap on it, I want you all to know that you need to verify your know your customer details, which is also known as the KYC details, right? So once you tap on it, you could see verify account, right? You don't need to open any real account, you just have to tap on the verify account, right? You can just open account later on if you need to deposit personal funds to do one or two things, but to verify your account, that is the main catchment, right? So once you tap on it, you just have to upload the verification details, and you can see verification unverified. So you're tapping on the unverified section, upload your details, upload your phone number, and then your account will be verified. If your details is uploaded correctly, your details will be verified as fast as possible, right? You can see you have successfully uploaded your document, right? So you just have to wait for your account to be verified. At most, it's going to be taking 24 hours. If you do it the right way, your account will be verified in the space of 5 to 10 hours, right? So just wait for your account to be detailedly verified successfully. And now you could see my account has been verified. The particular white circled section, I have to show you that my account has been successfully verified. And what the next thing that comes with this account, you just have to locate the competition section back and then tap on it. Once you tap on this competition section, now we'll be enrolling the full way, right? Find my competition, and once you find it, all you just have to do is locate the join section. And once you join successfully, you could see the join section, you'll be enrolled successfully for this 1K account. And you could see the white circled, the underlined section showing on the screen. It's the 1K account, and I can start trading with this account on this their interface. This is how you really need to know. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video to others, and like this video so that this video can get discovered by more and more people, as I will bring in this kind of account to you regularly. Have a nice day.